In the last 2 years, agriculture has been vulnerable. Over 4,000 hectares of banana and plantain were damaged during Hurricane Melissa alone. Both crops contribute more than $13 billion annually to Jamaica's economy. This evening, Ramardo Lyons zooms in on banana and plantain in Storm to Table.
"168 days, how long it's been since Hurricane Melissa. But if you visit any market today, you'd be lucky to see as many bananas, and by extension, plantain, from vast damage to short supply. In the 1900s, Jamaica became the first commercial producer of bananas in the Western Hemisphere, and as of 2023, 98% of the population was eating the fruit. At that time, over 68,000 farmers were operating in the banana and plantain industry. But back-to-back disasters have left farmers facing losses. In Highgate, St. Mary, for example, Walter Shaw feels boxed in.
Right now, we're coming back right now still. Yeah, but we're running slow.
He says that's a given, as he saw the destruction firsthand.
Now I say everything they blow down. So we just have to pick up back now. We just have sleeve. So we're looking in the field. 1 or 2 sleeves, that's it.
These are the sleeves, bags used to protect them from pests and damage and to support faster ripening. How long though for a full recovery?
You think you have to chop it up, replant. Most of it have to replant back, you know. So replant take longer to pick up. By the next 6 months time, everything's supposed to fully back in swing.
That would make it over a year since Melissa. So 1 full year not operating at full capacity. Livelihood interrupted. To put it into perspective, think about not being able to get your full salary for 12 months. As Michael Moore puts it,
a wicked damage, flat. We chop back whole entire field and chop back and then we fertilize and start from there.
The Agriculture Ministry says $100 million was injected into special fertilizers for bananas. It's expected to assist approximately 5,000 banana and plantain farmers and rehabilitate more than 2,500 hectares of damaged farms. But another system continues to leave banana farmers bleeding financially. The category, theft.
Just recovering and still pretty lasting coming in, same way. Double beating. Try 2 foot teeth them.
On another farm in Crescent, St. Mary, there's optimism. Herman Campbell is now able to smile, something that disappeared in previous months.
It's really coming. It has been shooting some nice bunches. Quite different from when it first started, some little beady stuff. But they are shooting some nice bunches now, and we are reaping just a small amount. That is looking good.
A pleasant surprise, as statistics given by the ministry left many scratching their heads. Some 95% of the country's banana and plantain crop was destroyed in Melissa's wake, and a year earlier, approximately 64% of the crops in production were damaged during burial. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness on March 25, 2026, on observations during post-Melissa tours.
What was once a green landscape was stripped bare of every leaf of every tree.
But where bananas and plantains are concerned, some farmers have been able to peel back some disappointment. Ms. Campbell says the return to this level required serious commitment.
The cleaning up and the replanting was really rough. It was really rough. But we got some help from Banana Board and RADA as well. That came in the second section where we need to 30. But the real challenge was to clean up and replant.
Presently, the sun peeks through leaves, but the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season looms like dark clouds. It begins in 2 months.
If we get another one, I'm not going to give up. This is one of the best crop there is.
Yes.
Tomorrow, we hear from vendors and the Banana Board. Ramardo Lyons, TVJ News.